Hey, this is Douglas Valenzuela, and on this video, I will show you. I'm just going to show you how Builderall works and how the compensation plan works, and how that can help you with your affiliate business, with your brick and mortar business, with your network marketing business, which with any kind of business actually, and how you can have all these tools that you need as a marketer, online marketer or brick and mortar face-to-face marketer in just one place, which is Builderall. All right, so I will see you on the other side, and have a great day and enjoy life with the ones that you love. Okay, see ya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me apologize in advance. For some reason, right as I was about to shoot this video, all the dogs in the neighborhood decided to start barking. And that includes my little girl downstairs, thinking that she can jump over a fence and catch the squirrels. But let's get this done. So this is Builderall, and this is the dashboard right here. And these are some of the features that Builderall has to offer. Of course, the web builder right here, the email autoresponder, the Builderall canvas, a video wrapper, social proof, script generator, animator VSL, marketplace, e-learning, social auto post app, video tag tool, share locker, presentation studio, magazine builder. If you have courses that you want to put in a PDF form, here you go. And for you guys that do WordPress, we have WordPress integration, which hasn't been perfected yet. They're almost there, but it's there right now if you want to mess around with it a little bit. This is the old web builder. This is the little feature where you can add an email to your web page if you want, so you're more professional, so you won't be at Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo or things like that. And a mockup studio. All of these features there, I have videos specifically about some of them. I will put the links to the ones that I have on the description of the video. And let me show you this right here. These are all the apps that Builderall has. If you have been with other web builders that either don't have these features, or they're pretty archaic, or there are extra charges attached to them. So that is not the case with Builderall. So I just wanted to show you that. And let me go to the nitty-gritty, which is the compensation plan with Builderall for 2020. Hasn't really changed from the previous years. And also the bonuses that you will get if you join with me, join forces with me and the team of people that I am working with. We have extra super duper awesome bonuses not included with the regular Builderall membership. And this is just something that we wanted to create for you guys to have another tool other than the tools that Builderall creates for you to hit the ground running as an affiliate marketer, as an internet marketer, as a network marketer that wants to take his business to the next level, wants to become a leader and have your own presence. And for anybody that wants to market themselves, yoga instructors, coaches, anyone of that side of the entrepreneurial side. Okay, so let me go and go to show you the compensation a little bit. If it sounds a little bit confusing, I'm horrible at explaining compensation plans. I just know a good one when I see one. But let's go to that. So here we are at the presentation site for my team, and I just wanna show you real quick what you could be making with Builderall if you take this seriously and you work at it, and if you treat it like a business. basically. So let's go to this little handy dandy calculator that we have here. Let's go and assume that everybody's gonna want all the features of Builderall, and they're also taking it seriously. So they go into the $69.90 plan because that's the one that has all the features. And let's say that feature that license that is $69.90 a month, as you can see right here on the screen. And I am signaling to the screen with my hands, forgetting that you cannot see that I am moving my hands. But let's keep it simple because I don't want to get confused. Let's say you sell 10 memberships in 1 year. Just 10 memberships, right? One a month. You know what? For the sake, there you go. 12 memberships. Say you sell 12 memberships, one each month, right? And this would be your immediate earnings, because when you sell, let me show you. When you sell the first one, when you sell each one, the first month, you get 100% commissions. So the membership is $69.90. You sell one, the first month of that membership, you get the whole shebang. You get $69.90, 100% of the commissions. Every month after that, you get $20.97. So you get $20.97 for the lifetime of that person that bought it from you and stays as a member. Now, let's say now that you saw the basic one of the basic compensation plan, let's play a little bit, and let's say that you sell one each month. So that's 12. So that would be 838 immediate earnings, and monthly income just on your efforts, just you selling it, you would get $251 a month, right? Now, let's say the person, all the 12 people that you got, right? All the 12 people that signed up, they decide to become also affiliates and sell it, right? So let's say 12 and you get another 12. Of course, this does not work like this in real life, because life is life and crazy things happen. So they sell 12. So no. So out of the 12, all 12 want to become affiliates. So nothing is happening yet because they're not doing anything. So let's say those 12, each one of them sells 12, just to keep it simple. Check, see what happens here. 12. So your monthly income grows to $3,271, and you have a total of 144 clients, right? Now, let's say you take this really seriously. This is your business. You work on this 24/7, 40 hours a week, Monday to Friday. You treat it like if you're going to an office and you're a high, a super salesperson, and you want to just make this your main bread and butter. Let's say you sell, let's say you sell 20 memberships a month, right? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 200, 210, 220. So it's 240. So let's say you sell 240 memberships a year. Your first, your immediate earnings would be $16,776 and 0 cents, right? Out of those 240, let's say 50, just 50, decide to become affiliates and sell it. Out of those 240, you have 50 people that are like, you know what, this is gonna be my main course, my main source of income. I'm gonna 50 of the 240 basically do what you do, right? So that jumps your monthly income to 17,614. All right, so let's not get too greedy, and let's say that out of those 50, each one sells, let's say 2 memberships a month, so that's 24 memberships a year. So let's say 24 memberships a year. Your monthly income would grow to $30,196.80. Now calculate that by 12, and there you go. Once again, I really usually don't like to talk about earnings stuff too much because people get this inflated idea that they're gonna become millionaires within 3 months. This takes work. Okay, this takes work, and you have to. And there's a learning curve. And if you join with us with Team Rice, that learning curve will be shortened, but it depends completely 100% in your efforts. I try to make it as simple as possible. I don't want this to be complicated, so I don't want to be fancy. So I keep it as simple as possible because I also want to keep it simple. Keep it simple and work hard, and you can do great things in Builderall and in any affiliate company that you join and you believe on it 100%, then you go at it 100%. Your 100% is different than my 100%. Skill levels are different, but this is right here what you could achieve if you put your mind to it. Now, let me just move on because I don't want this video to be too long, okay? So I'm going to go real quick on the all the extra features that you would be able to get if you join with my group of Builderall affiliates. Okay, so let's go to that one here. This is one of the bonuses if you join with us. Ready-made, designed for you Team Rice templates to help you slash design time in half. The main lady that created this group, she's on top of being a great web designer and website creator. She created a WordPress site for me a while back that was super awesome for me and my wife. She's also an awesome copywriter. People pay her to do copywriting work for them. Individuals, companies, you name it. And she is my sponsor. So you're getting all of this just by being in Team Rice. Now let's go to the other bonuses that you get and take it from there. All right, so let's start right here. You will get bonuses valid at $10,000 and change, right? For the $69.90 per month membership. So bonus number 1, the Builderall briefing. You will be walked through by the hand, step by step, to learn everything you need to know about Builderall back office, including insider tips and tricks and how to get set up quickly. Bonus number 2, the core 4. I am going to stop reading right now, and I'm just gonna let you hear it and check it out and read it for yourself. I am going to summarize, I guess, the 7-step Rice magnetic marketing formula. You know what? I read too fast and I confuse my mouth. So let me just bonus number 2. Here is bonus number 3. Right? This is like I said, these are all exclusives, right? This is stuff that you would not get with just Builderall. You would get them if you join us. Okay? Here you go. The promotional funnels, generic funnel templates, bonus monthly coaching. I will tell you that is invaluable. You get all of these marketers. Let's be honest, there are a lot of them are way better than I am, and you get to pick their brains in a coaching session. And then after that, the coaching sessions are recorded, and you can go back at them and read them. And listen and watch them anytime you want. Network marketing funnels for my network marketing friends. This is Barbie's sponsor. So on top of you getting all the bonuses that Barbie gives you, you get the bonuses that Chad gives you. Chad is also right up there with the affiliates. He's one of the top affiliates, just like Barbie. And bonus number 9. You get bonus cheetah and tools tutorial by trainer Barbie Figueroa. You learn how to use the cheetah builder and uncover some of her best kept design and marketing secrets that she does not share on YouTube. This is a team only perk. So, I mean, what else do you want? So, here you go. And I'm just showing you right quick because I am going to have the link to the page on the description. So you can go and check it out yourself and see the whole presentation yourself. All right. So this is Douglas. Once again, signing out, and enjoy life with the ones that you love. Bye-bye. And I always like to say, if you see me and you see that I can do this, I mean, there's no limits on what you can do with this. You don't have to be perfect. I mean, just look at me on the videos and just see the way I sound. I'm a complete goofball. I slur, I slur my words. I stutter, but I'm still doing it. All right. So that should give you no excuse to do this or anything that you're doing. Don't be shy. Realize your dreams, and that's my my speech for the day. All right. Have a great day. Once again, this is Douglas signing out. Enjoy life with the ones that you love.